Everything that you just watched was generated inside Dreamina using their AI agent, AI image generator, and AI video generator.
Let's start off with the image generator.
Here we have a jacket that I found on the internet, and I want to promote this jacket, but I don't have a model, so let's create a model first. Here you can see the simple prompt I made, and the cool thing is that the prompt doesn't need to be too long when you use Seedream. Add the jacket or whatever product you have, and after that you add the man or whatever model you generated.
Seedream will combine the two images for you
and generate the image based on your prompt. Here we have the results. Fantastic.
If you want to animate the image, simply press Generate Video and choose your model.
Like the amazing Seedance 2.0, and the result is fantastic. It keeps the detail in the jacket and model, and it even generates audio. Similarly with the image of the woman I generated in the snow. I found a dress that I wanted her to wear, and look at all the details in this dress. And check out what Seedream 5.0 can do with just combining the original image with the dress. We upload it just like we did with the man, and check out the quality. All the details in the dress are still there. It is very high quality and exactly what you need.
One thing that I forgot to say, you can also do a kind of a face swap.
I combined 3 images. I added another image model as a reference for the face. If you're a fan of the channel, you might remember this woman used in multiple videos. She's identical to the uploaded image. You can also upscale the image if you want to. Check out the detail that is recovered using upscaling on Dreamina. Animate it using Seedance 2.0 or 2.0 Fast, and the result is fantastic. If you need some additional help in creating your videos or images, you do have the option of using their AI agent that works really well. So I just said, generate a fictional sports drinks called Sea Breeze. It should be light blue packaging. It analyzes the simple prompt that I wrote, and it created all of these images. And I loved this one. I used an LLM with a simple prompt, give me a 15-second cinematic, realistic video, multi-shot. And once I had that, I added our bottle as a reference pressing @ and I used Dreamina Seedance 2.0 to create the following videos. I prompted for a slightly darker gym and more golden tones, and I got this. The last example we're going to have a look at in this video is the monster clip. When you use text to video using Seedance 2, you can use human faces. And the quality is, it's probably the best out there on the market. It is so realistic looking. Again, I made the prompt using an LLM just to help me out a little bit and breaking the scenes down so I don't have to spend a lot of time figuring out what's going to happen in every scene. I love it. So I suggest you to go to Dreamina, where you can then use Dreamina Seedance 2 to generate your videos. Try out the fast version as well because it is very good. Check out Seedream as well. Upload multiple image references to get high quality images. And also check out the AI agent because it might surprise you actually. And do remember that you can sign up for free on Dreamina. And if I'm not mistaken, you can actually get 1 week free if you sign up for the basic option. But always remember, even though Dreamina is very good, you still have to use your human touch. As always, AI generates. You choose.